Hey y'all, hope y'all doing well. On this video I got for y'all today, guys, I basically prevent a scam. So pretty interesting find. This one made me a little hot under the collar, but we got it taken care of. Hope y'all enjoy. All right, guys, so I'm on a call here, and basically second opinion call. Blower motor will not run. They got the thermostat off. So since it's a blower complaint, we'll start with the fan. Turn the fan on. And we'll head into the furnace and check it out. Alright guys, working my way back to the furnace here. Here it is, actually an air handler, heat pump system. And looks fairly new. 2016, so it's what, 8 years old. But anyway, a little brief history on this, guys. This is a second opinion call, like I said, and basically the first company that was out here, they I think the homeowner said they were doing just a maintenance or doing something. It wasn't really for a service demand, and they come to a conclusion that the blower motor was bad and needed replacing. They wasn't too sure, so here we are. I'm out here today, and I just turned the fan on at the thermostat like you saw, and I do not hear it coming on. So let's look into this and see what's going on, see what indeed is happening. All right. Okay, so not sure what's going on with that. All right, so let's I hear it buzzing, so we do have power, I do believe. So blower's not coming on, thermostat is calling for the fan. So let's check and see. Okay, let's see if we got a call from the thermostat. All right, so pull these wires apart. Here's our green, that is our fan. And let's find the common. There's our common. Let's check and see if we're getting a call. We sure are, guys. Oops, sorry. Get it on there good for y'all to see. Ah, shoot. 26 volts. All right, so I am getting a call from the thermostat. Okay. Let's trace some stuff here. It's kind of weird because they were out here doing a routines maintenance or cleaning, or I don't know what they were doing, but unless the motor quit on them while they were here. That just seems a little fishy to me, guys. I mean, it is an ECM motor. No. No way. Wow. Okay. I tell you what, I've seen some dishonesty and people trying to pull some tricks, but that right there is about as sad as it gets. I bet dollars to donuts that this motor's going to come on when I plug that in. I'll tell you what, guys, this about beats all. Well, unless it's some intermittent problem, which it's not going to be. Bad blower motor in my rear end. I'll tell you what, there's some real pieces of you know what out there, guys, trying to take this little old lady. I'll tell you what, that really irritates me, but it happens all the time. But let's finish checking this one out. Make sure she's good to go and go tell her the news. Well, guys, that went about like I expected. She thought I was the greatest thing since sliced bread, and she was getting ready to make a phone call to the company that was out here. So I'll tell you what, I don't blame her. That was pretty pathetic, but I told her we'd make sure everything else was looking good, and get her on her way. Got it back cooling now. Just gonna check it out for her, and leave her feeling a little bit better. But y'all let me know in the comments, guys, if y'all ever see something quite like this or something similar. I'm curious to see what else y'all see. I mean, I've been behind some stuff that was fishy, but this probably takes the cake for me. Yeah, I'm mad for just people wasn't dishonest like that, just trying to make a buck. Or, you know, they could be working for a company where they're like, if you don't sell, we're gonna fire you. That does happen, but either way, no excuse for that. That's no bueno. Hopefully my clamps will work a little better this time. let's see here. Looks pretty good off the bat. Pretty sure that was a TXV. I didn't confirm down there. Yep. Behind my first legitimate, I guess you could say, sabotage attempt. That's what it felt like to me. Y'all definitely let me know what y'all think about it and what else y'all seen out here. Alright, looking pretty good. She's looking in good shape. We'll check this contactor. And the capacitor, and she should be good to go. Alright, contactor looks really good, really clean. Check this cap. We have a 35.5 rated capacitor. It is still the original cap, so chances of it being low are probably pretty high. Well, 34.4, that's within range. Put my foot in my mouth here. 4.95, that's within range. Put my big old foot in my mouth. This capacitor is fine this time. Okay. Alright, well guys, I sure do appreciate everybody coming on and watching my videos. Like I said, it feels great to be back, and happy I can still do this and help people like this little lady who's I just saved her from spending a lot of money. So, but anyway, that'll do it for this one, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. We'll see y'all next time.